Hello and welcome. Today, we will discuss gear forming, which is a process used to manufacture precision gears with high accuracy and high reliability. The process of gear forming involves heating and deforming a metal strip, usually steel or aluminum, until it conforms to the desired gear shape, and then cooling and grinding the metal to achieve the desired size and finish. Gear forming enables the creation of gears with complex profiles and geometry that meet specific requirements, such as higher load capacity or lower friction. This improves performance and extends service life. In addition, gear forming ensures high precision and dimensional accuracy, allowing the assembly of precision machines and equipment, improving performance and reducing maintenance problems. Generally speaking, gear forming is an important process in the manufacture of mechanical equipment, which plays a crucial role in ensuring the efficient operation of various equipment. Due to its precision and versatility, gear forming is the ideal process for creating high-quality gears that meet specific requirements. Thanks for watching.
Get instant quotes on CNC machining, molding, casting, stamping, 3D printing, and more at www.findtop.com.